belongings caught on doorbell foot. Is that a bunk cop? What the fuck is that?
This first doorbell camera footage was taken in broad daylight.
The fuck is his voice?
In at least his 20s is seen selling candy door to door. The homeowner with the camera would open the door for the man. She would then proceed to make a purchase, with the actual transaction itself being shown.
The fuck?
But shortly after, 3 more men revealed themselves.
Hey, yo!
They were armed and took advantage of the open door by robbing the woman in her own home.
What? No way this nigga wasn't part of it, right? Like, no way this nigga wasn't part of it, bro. Right? Or no? No way. Or maybe they were just watching this nigga go door to door.
The whole operation was a setup, with the man selling the candy being in on it.
Yep.
From the start, the intention was to gain the homeowner's trust to get her to open her front door so that they could rob her at gunpoint.
Clown, bro.
The men swiped some of her belongings and later rushed off. A few minutes before this footage was taken, a nearby house's doorbell camera would capture the same man, again seemingly attempting to sell candy.
What?
Although, being suspicious, this homeowner wouldn't open the door. Directly after this encounter, the man is shown going up.
Being suspicious? How can you be like? That's crazy. Like me, I'm lazy, so if I see it's a fuck nigga trying to sell candy, I ain't getting. I ain't walking all the way throughout the courtyard, all the way to the gate. I'm not doing that shit.
Joshy, I need you to watch the Baki anime so you can react to CJ's vids on it. That show is wild AF and I think you'd fuck with it too.
I bet. I know. I'm so mad I haven't watched Baki. But yeah, if you're just like living in a house and you see your front door and somebody trying to sell cookies, like how do you even avoid that? Like how do you even like know to, yeah, I'm not opening this. I mean, I guess it's fit.
Why the fuck won't my Twitch connect to my Discord?
I don't know, bro. It's connected, bro. No, connect your, yeah, I don't know to do it. Like YG Castle, okay, shut the fuck up. Like he wearing what the fuck?
I just quit my doctor test job. Are you happy for me?
Okay, but I'm
also,
like,
have you seen Togashi's new tweet?
Okay, if you're like me, if you're like one of us, okay, you're kind of gonna know, okay, what the fuck is a nigga like this doing selling candy? But what if you're like a lady or some shit?
Vinland Saga, best sign an anime apart from Berserk.
Like, what if you're like a lady or like something that don't know about none of that shit?
To the house across the street to make another attempt. But this homeowner would also not open the door. The men involved were never caught by police.
I'm not gonna lie, chat. Get some dogs, bro. Cause let's just say you're not by your grip, you're not by your strap. You just can't get, like, you just lacking. At the end of the day, you got caught lacking. Let's say you just got caught lacking, and you have no other way to do shit. Like what? Like I don't know. Get some type of attack dog. Son, you need some, bro.
This footage was captured on the night of
I just can't see a nigga trying to press Creed in court. I cannot see a nigga trying to press Creed, bro. That nigga look at you, you're like, yeah, I'm not going to this house. Let's go to the other house. Like, it's not happening.
2019. Shown is a man stepping on a house's front porch and emptying an entire yellow fuel container just in front of the door.
I just whipped my dick out.
Soul Eater is a great starter anime.
Wait, what's he part? What the fuck is this?
2019. Shown is a man stepping on a house's front porch and emptying an entire yellow fuel container just in front of the door.
What?
The man then attempts to light the fuel using a small lighter.
What?
Day 2 of Yourrage not having watched Scarface.
Brain dead ass nigga. Look at this fuck nigga. Look at this clown.
After failing to catch the fuel on fire,
look at this
the man gives
clown.
up and just walks away.
Fucking idiot.
As it turns out, he had mistakenly used diesel fuel rather than regular gasoline. And while gasoline is extremely flammable, diesel fuel is much less so. Had the man used gasoline, and he would have no doubt started the house, along with himself, on fire.
He should have along with himself.
There was a mother and her 2 children.
What?
When the mother saw the footage, she would call the police, who would later identify and arrest the man in his house just across the street.
What?
The woman claimed she didn't know the man, and had no idea why he would want to harm her and her family.
What did the dude say?
When questioned why he did it, the man claimed he had seen a ghost and was trying to get rid of it, suggesting he was most likely under the influence of something.
Yo, this world, like, yo, bro.
He was later charged with attempted homicide and arson. On February 2, 2022, a contractor in Houston was working in a townhome.
Okay.
At around 6 p.m., the contractor claimed an unknown man that was armed and wearing a mask suddenly appeared inside the townhome with him. The unknown man proceeded to force the contractor into a bathroom, where he then tied him up by bounding his feet and hands. Afterwards, he rummaged through the townhome for over an hour, all the while listening to a police scanner to verify the police weren't on their way. And this footage captured exactly that.
No. No, this nigga got a police scanner on him. Yo. This is a W camera spot. This nigga try hard.
After taking multiple items belonging to the homeowners, who were out of town at the time, the man found the contractor's keys and drove off with his truck that now contained everything that he had stolen. The man was never found by police. However, the stolen truck was. It was found 2 days later, unoccupied in a nearby restaurant parking lot. But ever since, nothing else has been found.
Bro, what do? You you gotta fucking like move. Like if you find out, if you came home to your house being burglarized, you like I know you can't just get up and move because that shit is fucking expensive. Like who can just get up and move? But like, is that what you gotta do, dog? Like what the fuck?
This doorbell footage was recorded in the
I wouldn't be able to sleep, bro.
Morning hours of July 26th, 2019.
I can't sleep in the house.
In the footage itself, the house just next to the one with the camera had been completely set on fire. And because of how close the houses were, this made the house with the camera at risk of also being set on fire. Shown in the video are some of the other neighbors desperately trying to warn the homeowners of the threat.
Wait, what?
The house just next. This doorbell footage was recorded in the early morning hours of July 26th, 2019.
Okay.
While it's not visible in the footage itself, the house just next to the one with the camera had been completely set on fire.
Okay.
And because of how close the houses were, this made the house with the camera at risk of also being set on fire. Shown in the video are some of the other neighbors desperately trying to warn the homeowners of the threat.
Hey guys, yeah, their house is on fire.
I know, I'm knocking on the door, there's nobody answering.
The house next door to you is on fire. Your house is almost on fire.
Oh shit, W fucking neighbors, bro.
Fortunately, the loud banging was enough to alert the homeowners to the situation.
See what happens when my neighbor's house is on fire and like I'm in a like Valorant game, comms on point, my headphones is blasting, I'm giving comms heaven, and I just don't hear shit. Like I don't hear shit. I don't hear anything when I got my headsets on, bro.
They were then brought to one of the neighbors' houses across the street, far enough away from the fire. But
you're
other than
finished.
Some damage to the trees and part of the garage, the house with the doorbell camera was ultimately left untouched. This footage captured an unknown man walking up to the front door of this house. Right away, he leans against the door and tries to open it. He doesn't even knock. But the doorbell camera alerts the homeowner of motion being detected, so the homeowner still gets up to see who it is. Before asking any questions, the homeowner opens the door to see what the man wants. Then, without any hesitation, the man steps inside the house. Naturally, the homeowner saw this as a red flag.
Nigga, what? Nigga, what? Nigga, what? Nigga, you do not let the motherfucker in the house. Nigga, start what? You start closing the door.
What the man wants.
You start closing the door instantly, my nigga. Nigga, what?
Then, without any hesitation, the man steps inside the house. Naturally, the homeowner saw this as a red flag, and shortly after tells the man he needs to leave. But he didn't listen, forcing the homeowner to have to physically push him out of the house.
You tried to open it. He's gonna say something. Yo, he's gonna.
Hello.
He got caught. Lord, that nigga got caught. Yo, Lord, that nigga got caught, bro.
Who are you? Good. You need to leave. How far? Out there. What's the staircase? What? What's the stairs here? Come on, where are you going? What's the stairs?
Get the fuck out my house, you fucking clown. What the fuck? I ain't gonna lie. That nigga gets his. He need to be boomed. He need to be boomed. Nah. Nah, bro. Nah, bro. Oh my, I don't know why did this just trigger me so much, bro?
Goodbye, Q.
The fuck? And you fucked up my shit on the right here? You fucked up my decoration?
As the door is being closed on him, the man forcefully punches the glass on the door. But fortunately, the homeowner was still able to close and lock in. The man then continues to stand at the door, trying the door handle, before the video ends. What this man had actually planned is unknown.
Yo, what?
This video was taken on the night of August 10th, 2021.
I'm scared.
A woman is seen returning home from work.
I'm scared. Oh, no. No, bro. No, bro. Chat, when y'all get home, always have it in your head. Like, I know we be sitting in our cars or some shit. Like, no, bro. You gotta have your head on a swivel. You might be on your phone watching a YouTube video. When you get home, I caught myself doing this dumb shit sometimes too. Unless you're parking in the garage, you out of there. Your head is on a swivel. You're looking behind you. When you're in your neighborhood, you're looking behind you, bro. Even when you're just in public, on your phone, AirPods in, don't even have both AirPods, heads on a fucking swivel, bro. Cause niggas is trying to catch you lacking, dog. This can happen to anybody, bro.
A woman is seen returning home from work. She unlocks her door and
that's
walks in.
Crazy.
Before she can
close
it.
The fight is done. We lost. Stay hidden.
Then drive.
That's tough.
Como pra fora. Oh, don't move. Don't scare. Don't.
Nah, why nigga in the chat laugh, bro? Chill out.
And only a couple hours later, they would find
Why see the big ass element video on my chat, bro? Tee up.
They attempted a traffic stop, but the vehicle fled. The high rate of speed and rainy conditions.
Nah, these niggas in the chat are dumb. L shattered, bro. These niggas in the chat is stupid.
The fight is done. We lost. Stay hidden.
Jedi cannot help what they are. Where is he?
Sounded the fact that he said that shit, like how stupid it sounded to say some shit like that. Like, why would you say that, bro? This is a serious matter, and you talking about it sounded like you. Shut the fuck up.
So police had to give up. The vehicle is yet to be found, but the two involved in the theft would be found only 2 days later. The one that confronted the woman was charged with home invasion, armed robbery, and motor vehicle theft. This happened in Phoenix, Arizona. It's the middle of the night, and this was captured on one
Spider
doorbell camera.
I'm gonna check that Spider.
A man armed with an actual sword, a hammer, and an axe walks up to the front porch.
Bro, what does he think this is?
Multiple items outside of the house.
Nigga, steal items outside the house? Yo, what the fuck this nigga think this is? What the fuck is...
At one point, a car drives by, but the man completely
a hammer and a sword. Bro, this nigga is power stance and fuck. This nigga think he an Elden Ring for real, bro.
After a while, he walks off with his bag filled with stolen items, the sword still being held under his arm.
What the fuck?
While at work, a man in Florida would receive a message on his phone saying someone rang his doorbell.
You know what's crazy? All these different states. We didn't hear we didn't hear nothing about the states. But as soon as Florida comes up, Florida man, a man in Florida, in the city of Florida, why is Florida on your dick? Like why? Like why? In every fucking situation, if somebody ran across the street naked off bath salts, it's just a video that's going viral, whatever. But if it was in Florida man caught eating chicken or some shit, and the same thing what happened in like Minnesota, and Minnesota man is not in the title, bro.
Bell. When he checked the live feed, this is what he saw. A man wearing a hat, sunglasses, and bandana is standing at the front door.
Okay.
And disturbingly, he's holding a handgun in clear view of the camera. The doorbell's audio system would ask the man to leave a message for the homeowner.
There's some Udins out here, chat.
He claims he lost his dog and wants to look in the homeowner's backyard for it.
Yo. Nigga said OMG, he's a blood.
We can't answer the door right now, but
Yo.
if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Yo.
Hey, just wondered if you guys saw a lost puppy. He's a pit bull, blue nose. I believe he came in your yard, but I don't want to look without your permission.
Hey, you at the wrong house, dog.
Alright.
After the homeowner came on the speaker and confronted the man, he quickly left with no questions asked. As it turns out, this wasn't the only message of this story. Police would state that they had gotten multiple calls with the same description of the man and the exact same story. The man was most likely trying to get homeowners to open their door.
Nigga said,
he could then threaten them with his gun, and from there do who knows what. In this specific case, he most likely didn't realize the doorbell camera could see his firearm from where he was standing, which explains why he would be holding it out in the open by his side. Police weren't able to identify the man because of everything he had covering his face. Therefore, he has yet to be caught.
Yo. What the fuck? Yo, I ain't gonna lie. In the future, we're gonna watch more. What the fuck? I mean, in the future, we're gonna watch more of these type of videos. What the fuck was that on my recommended?
Warning.
Why are you doing that with his body?